Okay, hi, my name is Tom and I'm from NC Network Vietnam. So I'm going to ask you some questions. The first one is, could you please provide us your full name and your current title within the company?
I'm John Dwyer. I'm the founder and managing director of Peregrine Management International. I'm also governor on the board of AmCham Hanoi and the chairman of the supply chain committee there.
Okay, thank you. So could you introduce your company?
Yeah, we're an advisory company. We help kind of several different areas. We have a supply chain and operations management business. Depending on the client, we advise either foreign companies on efforts to use suppliers in Vietnam or get to understand their business, or we help Vietnamese companies to scale up to prepare for export so that they can satisfy the needs of international clients. In addition, we have a business process outsourcing business where we basically provide full supply chain services for smaller companies that don't want to employ their own. And then finally, we do market entry advice for industrial companies that would like to invest in Vietnam.
Thank you. So what is the purpose of your participation in this year's Fbc exhibition?
It's pretty simple. We hope to meet good suppliers and potential clients during our time here at the show. Yeah.
Yes. So has your company previously engaged in ordering casting product or sourcing casting supplier in Vietnam?
Yes, we have. We have relatively extensive business helping our clients to purchase all kinds of castings here in Vietnam.
Okay. So could you share some of your experience?
Yeah, it's a bit of a mixed bag. So aluminum die casting is a very prevalent industry here, and there are many good suppliers of this material. Kind of in the middle, we have dealt with investment castings for stainless steel material. Some of those suppliers are pretty good, and then we have some business with ferrous, ductile iron, gray iron, sand casting, and to be direct, this industry in Vietnam is very rudimentary. It's quite behind competitive markets in terms of technology and process.
Okay, thank you. So what are the key factors that influence your company's selection process when it comes to choosing a casting supplier?
It depends a little bit on the product and the customer. So we try to find the right balance between cost, which is always very important, and then capability to provide the appropriate level of quality and service to the customer. So again, depending on how sophisticated the customer is, or how, let's say, safety critical or cosmetic the final product needs to be, we have to balance low cost with good capability.
So, and here at the Fbc exhibition, did your company have the opportunities to meet with many suppliers? And how do you assess the capabilities of these suppliers?
Yeah, we've met several potential suppliers here. In fact, we already knew many. It's good to be exposed to many additional new companies as we walk around and get to meet the other exhibitors and some of the visitors. Our assessment techniques are pretty robust. We do QMS and business process audits as well as technical audits of suppliers. So frankly, at the show, we're not doing much assessment. We just get the contact information, and then we have to visit their facility to understand how capable they are.
Thank you. So the last one, it is the first time your company is participating in the Fbc exhibition. And what are your impressions of this year's Fbc and the exhibitor?
Yeah, this is our first time to exhibit and first time to actually attend this show. So far, impression's good. It's a pretty well-targeted show. I don't see too many strange companies unrelated to the mission of the show. So I think it's a good mix of supporting industries and people interested in either buying or selling into that industry. So it's a good show.
Thank you so much for taking this interview.
Thank you.
Okay.